Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hilton Garden Inn Bowling Green. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, non-smoking rooms, restaurant, free parking and a bar. This hotel is located opposite the Sloan Convention Center and Crosswinds Golf Course in Bowling Green, Kentucky. It features an on-site restaurant, indoor pool and rooms with free Wi-Fi. Each spacious room at the Hilton Garden Inn Bowling Green is furnished with microwave, refrigerator and coffee maker. All rooms include a flat-screen cable TV and clock radio with MP3 connection. Breakfast and dinner can be enjoyed at the Great American Grill and snacks and toiletry items can be purchased at the convenience store on-site. Guests of the Bowling Green Hilton Garden Inn can work out in the gym or relax in the hot tub. The hotel has laundry facilities and free parking. Downtown Bowling Green and Western Kentucky University are both 2.5 miles from the Hilton Garden Inn. Bowling Green Warren County Regional Airport is 5 minutes away. Downtown Nashville is just a 1-hour drive away from Bowling Green. Use a link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.